Oh my god, yeah. I got that on film, I think.
Well, that was our money's worth.
That is crazy.
Stop pictures. Stop pictures. Stop pictures, please. That is okay. Stop. People.
Walking his dog, he encountered this wild grizzly bear. The dog protectively placed itself between his owner and the bear and started barking at it, but the bear didn't seem to budge. In fact, he even started coming closer. The dog, not being afraid at all, is dedicated to defending his owner. He stands his ground and keeps aggressively barking at him. Finally, as the bear begins to retreat, the guy quickly calls back his dog before safely disappearing out of frame.
Family of Virginia getting an unexpected visit, and wait till you see who made the visit. Take a look at this owl.
Ooh.
Checking out the kitchen.
Who made the visit?
Then flying across the room and landing on top of the Christmas tree, perfectly sitting atop there. The family says the owl came down the chimney and decided to make itself right at home. It stayed there a while until the family figured out what to do. They got a net, but then the parents finally called the Animal Welfare League, and of course, they were able to get the owl outside and then fly it back to the wild.
Off you pop. No, you off you pop. Off you pop. No, don't come back. No. Oh my god. Oh my word. This is why they wouldn't come. Alright. Give me a sign and a bowl. Alright, can you get a picture as well? Hello. Eagle landed on your shoulder. Wow. When does that ever happen?
We found a snake outside our villa, but it looks like a toy.
No, this is actually a real snake. How would that be here?
Just found out that it's actually real. What is it, James?
I don't know.
It's venomous.
It's a green Philippine snake.
Oh my god, it's actually...
This, an unexpected intruder spotted in a backyard. This isn't your regular old house cat. It's a bobcat.
Ooh.
Viewer chiming in this video of the wild animal lurking around, all sinister. And he's actually kind of cute.
This is local too, right?
Yeah, this was at a home on Madison Road in Hope, Rhode Island. Rhode Island DEM says bobcats aren't known to attack people, but you know, they're a little bit on the bigger side, so they can pose a threat to very small pets.
Yeah, don't.
House. A Woodland Hills family sent us this video taken at 4 in the morning. Two small dogs or that cat were hurt.
Okay, I have got something good. I have got something so good. There's probably less than 5 of these in the entirety of the UK. I've got my eyes on it. Look in this tree. Oh my word. Look at that. It's a kookaburra. Oh my days. I've spent 3 days searching for this. And I've got it. That is amazing. Like, guys, just look at this. Look at where I am. In Scotland, in the UK, and there is a kookaburra. Cool. So here it is, a little bit closer up. This is the laughing kookaburra of Australia, but you can find them here in the UK, and there's probably less than 5, maybe less than 10 of them in the country. They shouldn't be here, but they are right here in Scotland, in Kirkcudbright, and there's 2 of them. How cool is that?
Yo, this is the craziest thing. That's a peacock. And it's crazy because earlier today I was thinking what it would be like to have one. Are you about to show? Are you about to film her? You can do it. Oh my god. Miko, no, Miko. Miko. What is this bird? No, please. Anyway, I was thinking what it would be like to have one. And then, when she shows up. What the heck? Do you live here? Hey, man.